Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a good opportunity or there is a big opportunity for 2020 and 2021 graduates. So friends, this is a link which will be given in description. So you need to click on that and then you will be able to apply for that. Now friends, so what are the job vacancy? Okay, who can apply for it, what is the salary, so all these details you will be able to get. You need to watch the video till the end. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any kind of opportunity, and join our Telegram group as well. So friends, first of all, I will tell you what is Dunzo. So friends, Dunzo is a company like Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon. Okay, so friends, Dunzo delivers so food, and along with that any important document kind of thing. So if you want to send some document or food or any other things from one place to another place, then you can use Dunzo. Okay, now, so friends, here you can see intern analytics, and the job location will be Bangalore. And friends, if you're looking for work from home job, then definitely because of COVID, there is a great chance that you will be getting work from home job, because Bangalore now the COVID cases are increasing. Okay, imagine anything. So you can see, are you Dunjo? So imagine anything that you want delivered at your door within 30 minutes. Friends, even you can send a person to one place to another place using Dunjo. So imagine a delivery network that brings you your morning coffee, a nutritious breakfast, the daily dose of vitamins, emergency sanitary napkins, or just a last minute pickup of that laptop charger. So laptop charger, any kind of document you can send. Now imagine all of that being done through a single app. That's the word Dunjo is building, and we want you to build it with us. Okay. Now, so friends, if you come down, then you can see your role in Dunjo journey. So intern analytics, okay, required technical skills. So proficiency and working knowledge of SQL. So basically database, they will be working on that. Working knowledge of MS Excel, ability to handle large amount of data, ability to handle unstructured problems through data driven decision making. So who can apply for that? So a 2020 or 2021 graduate available for 4 to 6 month internship, motivated and self-driven, able to self-prioritize your work, proactive and take initiative in project work, able to drive effective team communication through emails and workbook, takes quality responsibility. Okay, why you will love us? So work with a passionate and energetic team that's driven by ensuring users get what they need when they need it. Okay, cool perks. You'll also get to join us in house events, take meetups, and much more. Okay, you'll have access to a lot of teams working along with you. Get to have done find your career move at Dunjo. So friends, as soon as you get this notification, do apply, because friends, nowadays the jobs are filling very fast, and even they are making the link expire. Okay, so your first name, last name, email ID, phone, a resume, CV, school, discipline, and end date. Okay, so very few details you need to add, and then you have to submit the application. So friends, your salary will be almost 25,000 to 30,000. So this during the internship period you will be getting it. So thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe our channel so that you get all the updates on time.